Welcome to Back to Blue. We're here on the boat today with Captain Shane Ryan guiding us into some bottom fishing. I'm here with Dalen and Peter. Hi. And this is Dalen's first time fishing.
Yep, first time fishing.
This should be interesting. Hope you enjoy it. And drop it and let her go until you feel its paws at the bottom. You got double fish. First drop of the morning, light tackle spinning rods, dead bait. Not bad. Peter might have something a little bigger. He takes it easy. We got color up there for Peter. This one's nice. We have to get some. Whoa! And we're good. Good release. There you go, girl. Oh, get back.
Get on it. Oh my, what's going on over there?
Peter, she needs help. Use this to put your legs right up to and you can lean down and pull back. Use your back.
First fish right in the jaw. Come on in, get a photo.
Touch him. Lean over.
Let it sit for a second.
Pull, pull, pull.
No, 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 no.
She's got it.
Yeah,
you got it. There you go. Got one. Go, girl. We just came offshore a few miles. Put a couple dead baits down. Second drop, second fish for all of us. Nice little day. Catching some snapper on light tackle near shore.
Look at her. She ain't letting this fish get the best of her.
Oh, nice one.
Yep.
Bring that rod tip right over to me. Bring the tip. There you go. You want to talk about it? What we just do here? What happened to you?
Caught my second fish of the day.
Yeah? Was it
Yeah.
easy or what?
Super hard to pull it up, but I got it.
How long did it take?
Hard. About like 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes? How long did it take for it to eat the bait once it got down there?
Well, I rolled it down in about a minute or two.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Got straight up hammered. Girl's doing good. First time out.
Thank you.
Catching some good fish. Let's go get another one. I don't think we need a photo.
Oh, solid fish down there. This is 5 drops in a row. It won't stop. Everyone, some dead bait, 80 feet of water, a few spinning rods. You can use these for red fishing. And then come out here and land some of these red snapper.
It gets blown up.
All right, here we go. Oh, Daddy came to town.
Well, we decided to take our quick little trip on out here. First spot, ended up finding a absolute swarm of these red snappers. Caught enough of them, so we're gonna let this guy go, head to the next spot in hopes of finding a few variety of fish out here. Stay with us.